It's time to repair the base for the 1591 pedal. As you can see there, I superglued the broken bakelite bottom first. Bakelite will superglue pretty easily because it's pretty porous plastic, um, but it's not very strong to superglue it, so I'm going to reinforce the joint by filling in the two voids in the bottom of the plate here with some JB Weld 24-hour epoxy. So I threw some pins in those spaces, and I did lightly scratch inside there so that there's something for the epoxy to grip onto. I'm using the 24-hour set epoxy because it will grab onto almost anything, even if the surface isn't particularly rough. It's just got really good bonding strength, and I have time to let this set, so I'm mixing up the two parts there, and I'm going to fill those spaces and those pins, just straight pins that came in the mess of sewing stuff with this machine. They probably got saved out of dress shirts or something when those were purchased, and I just put those in to help give a little bit of structure and strength for the epoxy to grab onto them as well. So it will adhere to the sides and base of the voids there, and then it will be on those metal pins to help tie across in the way that like rebar in concrete helps strengthen concrete. So yeah, I just had to carefully apply the epoxy and get it smoothed out. The good news is there's room on this plate because everything, the ceramic resistor pack and everything sits level with the top of the two threaded inserts that it's screwed to. So there's plenty of room to put this repair in place, and then this should be good and strong.